Let me ask you something. Are you ready to crush it in 2025? Because here's the deal. Social media is about to change in ways that could make or break your success online. Whether you're building a brand, growing a side hustle, or just trying to connect with an audience, these new trends could be the secret weapon you didn't know you needed. Stick with me for the next 10 minutes, and I promise you'll walk away with game changing insights and actionable steps you can use today. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to grab my free ebook at The Ultimate Guide to AI and digitalmarketing.com. You know how they say first impressions matter. On social media, your first 2 seconds can mean the difference between someone watching your content or swiping past it. That's all the time you get. 2 seconds. Crazy, right? Layer your hooks, combine audio, like a bold statement or sound, visuals, a quick movement or change on screen, and text, a snappy line that catches the eye. Example: if you're posting about fitness, say something like, "What if I told you this 10-second move could transform your health?" while showing a quick demonstration and text on screen. Test your hooks. Don't just post and hope for the best. Try different styles, questions, bold statements, or even humor. Track what gets the most engagement and double down. This isn't just about grabbing attention. It's about setting the tone for everything that comes next. Let's be real. Short videos are great for quick dopamine hits, but long form content is where you build relationships and trust. Platforms like YouTube and TikTok are doubling down on longer videos because they know people are hungry for depth. Tell stories. Don't just give tips. Share your journey. Talk about your challenges, wins, and what you've learned along the way. People connect with stories. Plan content that educates. Think about what your audience struggles with. Create longer videos that solve their problems or inspire them. Keep it engaging. Use visuals, edits, or tools like story blocks to add sound effects, music, or B-roll to keep viewers hooked. Longer content doesn't just grow your audience, it builds loyal followers who stick around. Social media is moving away from massive impersonal feeds. People want connection, and micro communities are where it's at. Think small, engaged groups where people feel seen and heard. Start a group, whether it's on Facebook, Discord, or even a private Instagram broadcast channel. Create a space where your audience can connect with you and each other. Be present. Engage regularly. Answer questions, spark conversations, and make people feel valued. Go deep, not wide. Focus on quality interactions with your core audience instead of trying to reach everyone. When people feel like they're part of something special, they're more likely to stick around and support you. Here's the truth. People don't want to click away anymore. They want value right there in the post. This is called zero-click content, and it's a game changer. Teach in your posts. If you're sharing a tip, make sure the full value is in the caption or video. Don't make people hunt for answers. Use automation. Tools like ManyChat can send links or resources directly to people who comment on your post. It feels personal and keeps engagement high. Simplify your ask. Instead of click the link in my bio, try comment below and I'll send it to you. Zero-click content makes your value easy to access, and that's what keeps people coming back. Gone are the days when video was the only thing that worked. In 2025, diversity wins. Photos, carousels, videos, and even text posts are all making a comeback. Mix it up. If you usually post videos, try a photo carousel with quick tips. If you're a writer, throw in a short video explaining your ideas. Follow the algorithm's lead. Pay attention to what platforms are boosting. For example, Instagram is giving photos and carousels more reach now. Experiment and learn. Test different formats and see what resonates with your audience. Diverse content keeps your audience engaged and your profile fresh. Trends are moving faster than ever. What's hot today could be gone tomorrow. If you want to stay relevant, you need to be flexible and quick to adapt. Be a student of the platform. Spend time each day scrolling through social media to spot emerging trends. Put your spin on it. Don't just copy trends. Add your unique voice or perspective to make it authentic. Batch content. When you see a trend you like, create multiple posts around it so you're ready to stay consistent. The faster you can pivot, the more you'll stand out. AI is leveling the playing field, giving everyone tools to create high quality content. If you're not using AI, you're leaving opportunities on the table. Use AI for content ideas. Tools like ChatGPT can help brainstorm captions, hooks, or video ideas. Enhance your videos. Use AI powered editing tools to add effects, clean up audio, or even generate B roll. Stay ahead by learning. Make it a habit to explore and learn new AI tools to keep your content fresh. AI isn't just for techies. It's a tool you can use to amplify your creativity and reach. If you're not selling directly through social media yet, now is the time to start. Platforms like Instagram and YouTube are making it easier than ever to turn followers into customers. Optimize your posts for sales. Add product tags, links, or calls to action to make it easy for people to buy from you. Use stories for demos. Show your product in action in a quick story or video. Experiment with ads. Even a small budget can help you reach new audiences ready to buy. Social commerce is the future. Don't miss the wave. All right, guys, there you have it. The trends that will dominate social media in 2025. Remember, success in this space isn't just about knowing the trends. It's about taking action. Start implementing these steps today, and you'll be ahead of the game by the time these changes take full effect. Oh, and before you go, if you're serious about leveling up your online presence, grab my free ebook at The Ultimate Guide to AI in digitalmarketing.com. It's packed with practical tips to help you crush it online in 2025 and beyond. Stay motivated, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.